If X, formerly Twitter, is not loading for you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a couple of quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll try a private window first, and then we'll clear the site data so you can get X loading properly again. These steps are simple, safe, and they work in most browsers. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. All right, let's jump in. The first thing to do is try an incognito or private window. This is useful because it opens the site without using your normal browser cookies, cached files, or stored session data. If X is loading fine in a private window, that usually means the problem is caused by something saved in your regular browser. To do this in Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and choose New Incognito Window. In Microsoft Edge, open a new In Private window. In Firefox, choose New Private Window. Then type in x.com or twitter.com and see if the website loads normally. If it opens here, then you've already confirmed the issue is likely related to your browser data. Now let's move to the next fix, which is clearing the site data. This removes old cookies and cached files that may be causing X to freeze, blank out, or fail to load properly. To do this, open your regular browser and go to x.com. If the site still partially loads, look for the padlock icon next to the address bar. Click it, then go to Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data, depending on your browser. From there, find the option to clear data for this site. If you're using Chrome, you can also open Browser Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Cookies and Other Site Data, and open See All Site Data and Permissions. Search for x.com or twitter.com, then remove the stored data. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it. Now go back to x.com and try loading the page again. In many cases, this will fix the issue right away, because the browser starts fresh with the corrupted or outdated data that was blocking the site. If the problem is fixed, great, you're done. If not, the next thing I'd suggest is checking whether the issue happens on another browser or device, because that helps confirm whether the problem is with your browser or with X itself. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that no extensions are interfering with the site, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. But for most people, simply opening X in a private window and clearing the site data solves the loading issue. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.